All right, guys, so here's our 20-person cabin behind me. Here's the old best here. We're currently in West Virginia. We got Bruce just organizing and packing the van.
Just getting ready to rip today. Clean out this entire truck, wiped it out, put everything back in. Get ready for the big old whoopsie doodle today.
Oh, this is interesting. You got the neck protector above the mullet.
Well, most importantly is protect the mullet. This is the mud flap, and this is the interior mud flap.
Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're crushing it today. We are just getting everything ready. We have so many Pelicans now. Our gear has literally tripled. We're gonna set up some charging stuff to shoot tonight. Starts at 8 o'clock. Yeah, we're gonna head to the track right now. We're gonna stop and grab a few snacks, chill, get all the cameras set up for the 8 p.m. start time. It's gonna be the sickest week ever. Stay tuned.
Action.
Dude, look at this freaking setup. Manfrotto super clamps for the win.
Celery king, dude.
Big celery guy, dude.
Action.
He's coming. All right. They said yes.
Sick. Like the entire place?
The entire place.
Are they crazy?
They're crazy, but we've got to hurry up because they're literally about to start live.
Come on, Vaughn.
So good.
Fire
Live fire training.
training. Yeah, live fire training. None of us know. All three of us together got it right.
They said yes.
Damn, like the entire place?
The entire place.
Are they crazy?
Wait, like the entire place?
The entire place.
Dude, are they crazy?
Slow it down. A little bit more down.
Action.
That's when Preston is a cool police
And
around
tell
here.
us to turn it down.
I love how he said not a road and then floored it. Not a road and floored. guys, currently in a Ford Raptor. First thing, love the Ford Raptor, crushing it. Second thing is I'm going to pick up some drop cams that we forgot in the woods up here. I'm technically C cam because we have 2 reds on site, so that's cam A being the red on the camera car, cam B being roll out. The A ground cam. It's grabbing a lot of awesome shots. We just blew through a gate. Dude, sick. Never done that before. It was like super spur of the moment, last minute, like, yeah, run it through the gate, brother. Yeah, this was one of my favorite shots, actually. I was up in the woods up here on the left, panning, pretty wide. It was maybe like a 30 mil setup, and it just looks awesome. We're kind of dragging shutter a little bit. It was 24 frames per second at 1/40th, so it gives it that super good motion blur. Yeah, I just have to go try to attempt to find this one last GoPro real quick, but we should be good to go after that, and we're gonna hit the dirt track, baby. Dude, what?
Oh, that's so sick.
What's up there?
The light ray, or the smoke rays.
Oh, God rays? That's God himself, Larry.
Jesus rays.
Jesus ray.
I just got dusted, so I was coming back to clean my shit.
Jesus. Dude, we're all shredded right now.
Chelsea, look at this shot. It literally blew my passenger door open. Holy shit. I'm gonna put Preston in a gag order if he's gonna bring shit down.
Oh God, yeah.
So we go. That's epic.
That's perfect.
We go down there, we shoot that one, we'll come back.
Fully focused on y'all, and then that bomb went off, and I was not focused on y'all anymore. It was intense. Woo! It was intense. Yeah, dude. Watching you guys, I'm like, all right. Timing looks good. Good.
Check, here we go. Today is a good day. Everybody is awesome. We are live. We are grateful.
Alright, camera speed.
Leading.
Rolling.
It feels big in here.
The channel's pressed on 6. Preston, this is Mac, you copy?
15.7. Okay.
I think start to sit down a little.
That looks so sick, dude. I'm complimenting you.
Thanks, babe.
Dude, I'm in goofy mode right now.